Okay, here are a few central air conditioning units at another commercial building in Lisbon, Iowa. Here's a Rheem unit. Currently not running. It is a 2-ton from 2022, pretty sure. And this unit has a couple and scroll compressor, pretty sure. And then right here, here's a Trane XE1000 unit. This one's an interesting unit here. Yeah, this is an interesting unit. I don't find very many Trane XE units around. Nice. This unit is a 5-ton from 1998, pretty sure. And I believe this unit either has a Climatuff scroll or Climatuff reciprocating compressor. Not exactly sure. Has a nice top on it. And then here's another Rheem unit. And this one has swept blades. Also not running. This unit is from 2023 and it's a 4-ton. And this unit I think might be a Rheem Endeavor model. Couple and scroll compressor, I assume. But yeah, these are located at another commercial building here in Lisbon. I think this is at a small salon building. But yeah, really like this one a lot. But yeah, just like a quick video of these 3 units. Anyways, thanks for watching.